Monire Mosa, Tampokelelani. Welcome everyone to my channel, Chitumbuka Narureni. In this video, I'm starting from the alphabet so that we can all be at the same pace. I've been having problems with my recording, so hopefully this will go through. And yeah, I'm so excited for everyone, whether this is your first time or you have some knowledge of Chitumbuka. Let's get this together. And yeah, without wasting much of your time, let's get into it. I'm excited. Okay, so we are starting from the alphabet, which in my language you can read it as alphabet, spelled that way. Reading in Chitumbuka is kuverenga. So notice the W has an asterisk. Kuverenga means reading. So start with vowels. Vowels in Chitumbuka, I should have written here vawero, V-A-W-A. Of course, this is A in my language, yeah? L-O, okay. So in English, in my language, R, A, E, O, U, yeah? So Chitumbuka, R, A, E, O, U. The same way it's read in English, but you'll see the changes shortly. So this is the alphabet, or the 26 also letters. Let me see if they can all fit. They can't for now. Okay. R, B. We don't have this letter in my language. But we have C as in SI, but we also use, mostly where it's supposed to be C, we use K or C as we go along, but we don't have a word that just has a CA or CE, CI, CO, CU. No, it has to be a K. Okay, D, this is how we pronounce it, D, A, F, G, H, I, E. This I is E. Like we said on the vowels here, A, E, O, O. Okay. We don't say A, E, I, O, U, but it's A, E, O, O. So the way A, E, O, U sounds, that's also the same way we read ku, we, re, nga, ku, ve, if you include the asterisk, kuverenga. Okay. So we're on G. G is spelled this. This is how it sounds. G, H, E, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. Again, we don't have Q. Of course, you'll hear some people use Q in Malawi, but it's a different language. It's not Chitumbuka. Okay. So we are learning Chitumbuka at the moment. We don't use K, a Q, but this is how we can pronounce it. In our language, in the language itself, we don't have words that use Q, but this is how we can pronounce it, Q. Okay, R, S, T, U, V, W. Of course, in Chitumbuka, when we read it with the an asterisk, as in la, ve, vi. This is AKC, but we don't have it in my language. There is slang where people now are using, but it's kind of like new words, not really Chitumbuka, but it may be just slang from somewhere else. So you can find people who speak Chitumbuka using it, but it's not in our vocabulary. Y and Z. Okay, so excuse me. This is the first part of the alphabet, A to Z. Let's look at the second tier. Let's try and see if it helps with the how the letters appear. Okay. So now we are continuing with the reading, but this is the second part of it, where now we are combining the alphabet. Now we are trying to combine with vowels and to read it. So this remains the same: A, E, O, Ba, Be, Bi, Bo, Bu, Da, De, Di, Do, Du, Fa, Fe, Fi, Fo, Fu, Ga, Ge, Gi, Go, Gu, Ha, He, Hi, Ho, Hu, Ja, Je, Ji, Jo, Ju, Ka, Ke, Ki, Ko, Ku, La, Le, Li, Lo, Lu, Ma, Me, Mi, Mo, Mu, Na, Me, Ni, No, Nu, Pa, Pe, Pi, Po, Pu. La, Ra, Re, Ri, Ro, Ru, Sa, Se, Si, So, Su, Ta, Te, Ti, To, Tu, Va, Ve, Vi, Vo, Vu, Va, Ve, Vi, Wo, Wu, Ya, Ye, Yi, Yo, Yu, Za, Ze, Zi, Zo, Zu. That's it with the 2 words, with 2 letters. We will, in the next video, look at the 3, 4, and 5 letter words and sounds. And once the alphabet is out of the way, then we can get into conversations and introducing other topics and like family and things like that, animals and things. But we need to get right in terms of the words, how we pronounce it. And then that way, we can have a good foundation, I think, if we all understand how this is read. Yeah, so it's simple stuff, but depends on your language, because in other languages, these things sound different, as you know, but yeah, we had to start from somewhere. So thank you so much. Let me stop sharing. Yeah, thank you so much, and see you in the next video. Okay.